Would you like to learn how to add incredible texture and depth to your artwork without spending a fortune on art supplies? Hi, I'm Caroline. I've been using all sorts of weird and wonderful materials in my artwork since I was a teenager. I've developed a unique way of combining homemade textures with fluid paint to make beautiful, ethereal abstract art that I've sold all over the world. Through 90 minutes of video tutorials, I'll guide you from the beginning. From gathering tools and materials, choosing and preparing your substrates, adding collage materials, how to inexpensively make your own texture paste, and various different techniques I've developed to apply texture. Then we'll move on to my favourite bit, bringing the artwork to life with layers of dreamy fluid paint. I'll show you how I mix my paints, build depth, and how to achieve some gorgeous special effects in your work. I'll take you through 3 very different projects from beginning to end, detailing the whole process, including all the products and techniques I'm using to bring them to life. We'll talk about planning your own artwork, including finding inspiration and thinking about colour and composition for a successful piece. There are downloads with each topic with even more detailed information, product lists, links, and tips that will help you along the way. I'm sure it's going to leave you brimming with ideas and inspiration. The possibilities with this art form are endless, and I'd love for you to come and join me and start creating your own texture and flow masterpieces.